Welcome to the Fathom Q overview video. This video will show you how to receive and manage calls using the Fathom Q system. Once you have selected the Fathom Q page, you will need to log in to your respective queue. You can do this by clicking the Q login button. This will provide you with a drop-down list of all the queues available on your account. Select your respective queue and then click the login button. You will now be logged into the queue. You still cannot receive calls yet. In order to receive calls, you will need to turn the Receive Calls switch to On. Off is indicated by a gray box with an X, whereas On is indicated by a green box with a check mark. You are now ready to receive calls in your queue. When a call starts coming into your queue, simply answer your phone to answer the call. The current call box will now appear. The current call box provides you with all of the information relevant to your current call. You will be able to see the DID or number that your caller has called in on, the quick name for that DID, the queue they called in through. If the user's name is available in the system, it will be displayed. Below that will be the caller ID number, as well as options to open the record in Salesforce or in Pardot. You can identify the call type, take notes about the call, and mark the end result of the call. You will see 5 blue buttons that indicate the available options to you. They are Transfer, Hang Up, Stop Recording, Request Help, and Hold. If you want to put a caller on hold, simply click the blue Hold button, and the call will be placed on hold. You will notice the call disappears from your phone. When you're ready to answer the call again, simply click the Unhold button, and your phone will begin ringing. Answer the call. The caller has now been taken back off of hold. If you then need to request help, you can simply click the Request Help button. You will then be prompted to select a user whom you wish to ask for help. Click the Request Help button, and they will receive a notification on their screen to help you with the call. You can chat with the other agent, the other agent will be able to listen in on the call as well as barge into the call and take over. If needed, you can then transfer the call by clicking the Transfer button, and then selecting the user. When you click the Transfer button, your phone will begin to ring. The other party will begin ringing. Hi Aaron, I'm going to transfer this call to you. And then click Transfer. If you click the Stop Recording button, the call will no longer be recorded from that point on. Finally, if both you and the caller are ready to end the call, you can click the Hang Up button. This will close the call. You will be given wrap-up time. This gives you time before the next call comes in to finalize any notes. If you're ready to move on, click Save. Finally, the Clients in Queue bar allows you to see information for calls that are currently in the queue. You will be able to see the caller's name, caller's number, the queue they are calling in on, how long they have been waiting, what skills are required by this call, the points or weight of the call, the city, state, and country the caller is from, and whether or not they have requested a callback.